Emma was not awake. She was in the stage before awake. Lilly had learned to allow 20 minutes for the transition. She had a system. Lilly had been in this city for 3 weeks. She knew which supermarket opened earliest. She knew which tram ran late on Thursdays. She knew where Emma kept the spare key and where she kept the good biscuits. She did not know yet what the city felt like on a Tuesday with nowhere in particular to be.
You're already dressed.
Yes,
What time is it?
8:40.
On purpose?
I woke up early.
You always wake up early.
I know.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go somewhere I've never been.
That's everywhere.
Yes. So there are options.
There's that big shopping mall on the south side. I need to get something for my sister. We could go there.
The one near the river?
You looked it up already?
I looked up all of them,
Why?
in case someone asked.
And now someone asked.
And now someone asked.
You're gonna be warm.
It might rain.
It's not going to rain.
It might rain.
Give me 10 minutes.
I'll wait.
Quick, get in before he changes his mind.
Yes, ladies. Where to?
The South Mall, the big one near the river.
Which entrance?
There's more than one?
Yeah, there are 3.
The main one?
Okay, get in.
You're not from here.
Is it obvious?
You look at everything.
Is that a problem?
No, most people stop looking after a week.
A week feels very fast.
City moves fast. People start ignoring it to survive.
Ignoring what?
The noise, the crowds, the weird things happening on every corner.
Yes, I'm learning the city like a language.
That's an interesting way to say it.
The streets are like vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Yes. First, you recognize a few places, then more. Then you understand how they connect.
Like sentences.
Exactly.
You make learning English sound like a living example.
It feels like one sometimes.
And the city helps?
Yes. The city is like a big classroom.
That's one way to look at traffic.
Even traffic has vocabulary.
Really?
Yes, I learned the word honking here.
That's a very important city word.
I hear it many times every day.
You'll be fluent in honking soon.
I think I already understand the tone.
Tone?
Yes, short honk means impatience.
True.
Long honk means frustration.
Also true.
Multiple honks means anger.
You're a fast learner.
I told you, I look at everything.
Most people stop doing that.
I hope I don't.
If you keep looking like that, you'll understand this city better than the people who grew up here.
That would be an interesting result.
Enjoy your city tour.
Thank you for the observation.
She looked at everything. She always had. The difference was, now she had a language to do it in.
I just need to find something for my sister. She likes, I don't know, things.
What kind of things?
Nice things.
That's not specific.
I know. That's the problem. She's hard to buy for.
How old is she?
26.
What does she do on Saturdays?
Sleep? Cook? Sometimes the market?
Does she cook for herself or for other people?
Both? Why?
That one.
Oh, yes, yes.
Saturday cook, nice things. That shop.
How did you do that?
Saturdays cooking, nice things.
You're terrifying.
I just matched the categories.
I found it. I think she'll actually like this.
She will.
You don't know her.
No, but you described her correctly, so the category worked.
You're so...
Logical?
I was going to say, you're so you.
That's also true.
Can I help you find something?
What is this one?
That's a smoked oil. You use it at the end, just a few drops, not for cooking.
What does it taste like?
Like the last 5 minutes of a campfire.
That's a very good description.
Thank you. Do you want to try it?
No, but I'll remember it.
Is this a gift?
Yes, for my sister.
Shall I wrap it?
Yes, please.
In her first week, Lily had bought nothing she didn't need. Today, she put a blank card in her pocket. She didn't know who she would send it to. She just liked that it was there.
Hi, what can I get you?
Hello. A flat white coffee with sandwich, please.
Cream over coffee?
No, I would like it without cream. And also no sugar, please.
Yeah, sure. And what for you, ma'am?
What's the difference between these two coffees?
One's stronger and one's sweeter. Same size.
I would like stronger.
Good choice.
Is it very strong?
Depends how you define strong.
Strong enough to wake someone who is very tired.
Then yes, that should work.
Thank you. What is this one?
That's a grilled chicken sandwich. Comes with lettuce, tomato, and sauce.
Is it spicy?
Not really. It's pretty mild.
And this one?
That's avocado toast.
Toast with avocado only?
Avocado, olive oil, sometimes an egg on top.
That sounds simple.
Sometimes simple is good.
I agree. But I am curious about local food.
Then maybe try this.
What is it?
It's a breakfast plate. Eggs, bread, potatoes, and sausage.
That sounds like many things.
It's a popular order.
Good.
Would you like anything to eat with that?
I'm still reading the menu.
Take your time.
Okay then, I will take this.
Well, you picked a good place to start.
I hope so.
I'll bring your coffee first.
Thank you.
And don't worry, the strong one usually helps people understand the city a little faster.
Then I definitely made the right choice.
You always ask that question.
Which question?
What's the difference? You ask it everywhere.
Do I?
The phone plan, the train tickets, the bread at the market.
There is always a difference.
Most people just pick one.
And then they're surprised by what they get.
Is that a rule you have?
I think it's more a habit. I like to know what I'm choosing between. Good.
Just good?
Very good. Strong, like it said.
So it was worth asking.
It's always worth asking.
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
What do you miss from home today, right now?
The Saturday market. Not the things in it, just the fact of it. That it happened every week, whether I went or not. And the silence in my apartment. Not this kind. This kind is nice. Mine was familiar.
Does it feel different now, being here?
Less like a problem I'm solving, more like a place I'm in.
That's good.
Yes, I think so.
What's that?
I took it from the shop. It was blank.
Are you going to write something on it?
Not yet. Wait,
What?
one moment. Please give me one.
This is for what?
For the apartment.
She had been asked what she missed. She had answered honestly, and something had shifted. The way things shift when you say a true thing out loud for the first time and find out it doesn't hurt as much as you thought it would. She had not solved anything today. She had not needed to. She had bought a flower. She had asked what the difference was. She'd carried a blank card all afternoon without knowing who it was for. Some days are like that.